Hi students, respect parents, dear viewers, and my dear students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, as you know that we are locked inside our house, our homes due to pandemic COVID-19. These are the crucial days for us. The need of the hour is stay home, stay safe. Dear students, as you know that yesterday we have learned about a short story. The title of that short story is Rustam and Sohrab. Rustam, it is a tragic story from Persia. Nowadays, Persia is called Iran. Rustam is a Persian hero and one of the favorites of the King Kaikus. We have seen the characters like Rustam and King Kaikus and a woman from Tatar dynasty, princess who fall in love with Rustam and then they got married. Rustam was also known as the shield of Persia. The enemies who tried to invade the country fled in fear when they heard his war cry. After they got married, the king of Persia sent message to Rustam that he might be back to his kingdom unless Rustam is not in the kingdom of the king. The king felt himself in fear. Due to that, Rustam had to go away from his wife, who was then in the family way, that means who was pregnant. It was with great sorrow that he parted from her because it might be many years before he saw her again. Rustam was well known about the fact that it should take more time for Rustam to meet her wife. At the parting, he gave her means he gave to her wife Tanima a precious stone and said, when you become a mother, tie this stone on the child's arm and keep our marriage as a secret. Now, dear students, in due course, a son was born to Tanima. Who was born? A son. That means the son of Rustum and Tanima got birth. Tanima knew that when the boy grew up, Rustum would be eager to have him follow in his footsteps. Tanima was well aware about the fact that when his son got elder, his father Rustum would be eager to him follow in his footsteps. Rustum will be tried to take his student after his footsteps, unless she hid from Rustum the fact that their children was a boy. He would certainly take away the child. She would then lose her son as she had lost her husband. She had a threat. Tanima had a threat that if I disclose the fact that I have given birth to a boy to a male baby. Then the father of the boy, Rustum, took him away from her, and result would be same as Rustum goes away from Tanima. Same is the case with their son. So Tanima sent word to Rustum that their child was a daughter. Tanima sends a message to Rustum that the newborn baby is female baby instead of male baby. Tanima named her son Sohrab, which means child of many smiles. Tanima given the name to her son, Sehrab means child of many smiles. What is the meaning of Sehrab? Child of many smiles. Sehrab grew up into a brave and handsome boy. He learned to use the sword and shield and became skilled in the art of war. With the passage of time, Sehrab became the boy and learned the tricks which were used in the wars like sword and shield and other arts of war. For smiles around, there was no one who could compete with him in feats of swordmanship. There was no one who can who dare to come in front of a boy named Sehrab for fighting against him. One day there came to that country a young warrior who had fought in distant lands. He challenged Sohrab to single combat. Sohrab ready agreed to fight with him. As they were getting ready for the combat, the young soldier said to Sohrab, "Before we fight, tell me your parentage. I do not fight in single combat with anyone who is of low birth." The then who had gathered round looked at Sohrab. None knew exactly who Sohrab's father was. तो बच्चों, इसका जो माना है वो ऐसे मैं बताऊंगा. वन डे देयर केम टू दैट कंट्री. एक दिन उस मुल्क में एक नौजवान जंग जो आया, जो दूर दराज के मुल्कों में लड़ चुका था. इसने सैराब को इनफरादी जंग के लिए ललकारा, यानी सैराब को अकेले अपने साथ मुकाबला करने के लिए ललकारा. सैराब इससे लड़ने के लिए फौरन तैयार हो गया. जब वो लड़ने की तैयारी कर रहे थे तो नौजवान फौजी ने सैराब से कहा, इससे पहले कि हम लड़े मुझे अपने ख़ानदान के बारे में बताओ. मैं किसी ऐसे आदमी के साथ इनफरादी लड़ाई नहीं लड़ता जो नीची ज़ात का हो. जो लोग इर्द गिर्द इकट्ठे हुए खड़े थे सैराब की तरफ देखने लगे. कोई भी ठीक ठीक नहीं जानता था कि सैराब का वालिद कौन था. तो ठीक है बच्चों, तो प्यारे बच्चों, आज के लिए इतना ही. आप अपनी बुक पेज नंबर 100 पे निकालना, फिर इस सबक को पढ़ना. जिस जगह आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा, यू कैन कॉल मी, मैं आपकी हेल्प करूँगा. गुड बाय. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.